Can I welcome everyone here this morning to this launch, excuse the pun, of the Enterprise and Business Committee's report into ports and airports. Can I also thank the media for attending, and also some of the key witnesses who helped provide really helpful evidence to the inquiry. Some key messages which have emerged from our inquiry include the fact that Welsh ports and airports are clearly vital to the future of the Welsh economy and have a crucial part to play in developing international trade and tourism links. Yet more needs to be done to develop Welsh ports and airports as economic drivers. And thirdly, even though responsibility for ports and aviation policy lies mainly with the UK government, there are many opportunities for the Welsh Government to capitalise on the potential of Welsh ports and airports as a means of boosting the economy and enable them to prosper in their own right. Our main findings were that ports and airports are clearly very important, but can have an even bigger role in helping develop the Welsh economy. As for our recommendations, we think that the Welsh Government needs to work closely as possible with the UK Government to really develop a strategy that over the years to come will mean that Wales can make the most benefit of those ports and airports.
Well, I'm absolutely delighted that some of the comments that were made on behalf of the Economic Forum have been seriously taken on board by the committee and translated into actual recommendations for Welsh Government to consider. And there were two in particular that we wanted to make a point about. The first was the accessibility of the airport from the rest of the world into the rest of the UK. If we could develop and grow those links, particularly with the electrification of the rail lines and better links to the M4, we are in a just as good position at Cardiff International Airport as London is for accessing the rest of the UK.
I'm very happy to see the recommendations. Obviously, there's been a gap in policy in air transport in Wales, and whilst this isn't designed to fill that gap, it actually provides a list of targets that should be met in order to create that policy.
I'm very encouraged with the first 8 recommendations. I think the committee have done a really good job in nailing what is the agenda for aviation in Wales. They talk about the need for more strategy, they talk about the need for more routes, they talk about the need for devolving air passenger duty to Cardiff. Those are the agenda items that I think that the government needs to look at. It's actually a very impressive report.
The other aspect from the ports is that we, with the deep ports that we have, which are not available in other parts of the UK, there's a huge opportunity to take the cruise tourism market, particularly with the growing interest in heritage and genealogy. And we've had a couple of successes with the liners coming to Newport in particular, and accessibility then from those ports to the rest of the UK is crucial to bring that inward investment and spend into Wales.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales, and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.